Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you a new testnet airdrop which is called Nemesis. So if you check their recently pinned post, you will see their testnet phase 1 has just recently gone live and you can participate super early in this project. So right now they have 52k followers here. So Nemesis is a DeFi trading platform where you can swap tokens. You can also do margin trading by opening short and long positions and make profits. Also, the Nemesis token is already listed on CoinGecko. It has a total supply of 1 billion and almost all of its supply is tradable on PancakeSwap. Apart from that, if you check the market, this token is not listed on any centralized exchange yet. They also opened a whitelist in September 2025. There has been no official announcement about it being closed, so I will provide you with the whitelist form as well. Fill out the V1 whitelist form, answer a few questions and enter your wallet address through which you will join the testnet. Also provide your Twitter and Discord, then submit. First of all, I recommend that you join their Discord. The link is available in the description. So to join, first accept the invite. Then click on complete. Then agree to the terms and submit. Then click here on verify. Then solve the captcha. And then you will be verified. So here what you need to do, just stay active here, and if they provide any roles, then try to grab those, which is really important for airdrop eligibility. Before I show you how you can participate in the testnet, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest updates. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the crypto news and airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. Now let's move to the testnet page. So I'll provide a Telegram post link where you find this page link. So after landing here, first click here on enter V1 testnet, which will take you to the platform page. Here you need to connect your wallet. Make sure to connect the same wallet you used in the whitelist form. So I am connecting my MetaMask. Then click on connect and then confirm the request. Once connected, the first thing you need to do is claim Sepolia Ethereum. So I'll provide this website link where you can claim free Sepolia faucet. So here what you need to do, paste the wallet address here, then click on get Sepolia Ethereum. And done. You can claim it once every 24 hours. After claiming, come back to the platform. You will see the swap option. Then select Ethereum and swap a small amount. For example, let's put 0.01. Then here select USDC. Then click on swap. Then click on confirm swap. Then again a MetaMask pop-up appears. Simply confirm the request. And done. Next you will see options for short. Click on that. Then you need to select your trading pair. So I'll keep the same Ethereum with USDC. Then here enter the amount you want to short. For example, let's put 100. And set your margin like 2x or 3x. So I keep 2x. Then click on open 2x short. Then you need to approve first. Then confirm the MetaMask request. Then again click on open 2x short. Then again confirm the MetaMask request. And done. You can also view your open positions below, including profit or loss. Next you see options for long. Click there, then again choose your pair for trading. Again I'd select Ethereum and USDC. Again let's put 100. Then click on open 2x long. Then first you need to approve USDC, so click here. Then confirm the MetaMask request. Then click on swap USDC to Ethereum. Then confirm the MetaMask request. Then approve Ethereum and confirm the request. Finally, click on open 2x long and confirm the MetaMask request. and done. So here you can view your open positions below, including profit or loss. You can close positions anytime by clicking the close option. After that, go to the liquidity section. Here you can add liquidity. You can see pairs here. Also, you can add manually. So click here on new. Then here you need to select your pair. So I'd select Ethereum here. And here I'd select DAI. Then click on add liquidity. Then choose the amount and make sure you have both tokens required for the pair. Then click on review. Then you need to approve multiple approval requests. So after that, once added, you will see your liquidity position as active. Also, if you want, you can add more and you can also remove liquidity anytime. So that's all for this video. Please remember, you need to repeat our process 2 or 3 times a week. So if you found this video helpful, then please like, share, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.